Hi friends, so this video shows how to find nearby Vivo service centers using Vivo smartphone. So in your Vivo phone, open settings, then tap on more settings. So there you can see after sales service. Tap on that. So when you tap on that, you can see one service center address of one service center with contact number, website and everything. But right now it's showing only one. So if you want to see more, just enable the location. Just enable the location. Then go back. Then tap on after sales service again. Now you can see more service centers. It's showing five nearby service centers. So this way we can find all nearby Vivo service centers using your Vivo smartphone. And you can also see the working time from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. all days. So address with contact number and website we can find here. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.